There's something magical about looking in the mirror and seeing your skin glow in natural radiance. It makes you feel confident and vibrant, showing a reflection of beauty, balance, and nourishment. We all desire that healthy, youthful appearance, but between stress, pollution, and the endless cycle of skincare products, sometimes achieving that natural glow can feel elusive. But what if I told you that the secret to glowing skin lies in the power of nature? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of herbal skincare, uncovering 6 powerful herbs that can transform your complexion from dull to dazzling. Forget harsh chemicals and complicated routines. We're going back to basics with Mother Nature's finest, so grab a pen and get excited. I'm about to reveal the magic behind each herb and how it can give your skin a radiant boost. First up, we have basil, an underrated gem with skin-loving superpowers. It's loaded with vitamin C, essential for a bright, even-toned complexion. Basil also boosts collagen production, maintaining youthful plumpness and elasticity. It acts as a natural shield, protecting your skin from pollution and UV rays. Basil is a potent detoxifier, drawing out impurities for clearer skin. Packed with antioxidants, it fights off free radical damage. And its antibacterial properties help combat acne and soothe inflammation. Basil truly is a skin-saving superstar. Let's move on to rosemary, another powerhouse herb with incredible benefits for your skin. Rosemary is all about boosting circulation, ensuring your skin gets a healthy dose of oxygen and nutrients. It acts as a revitalizing massage for your skin, stimulating blood flow and giving you that coveted natural glow. And just like basil, rosemary is a potent antioxidant, fighting off those pesky free radicals that accelerate aging. It helps to protect your skin from environmental damage, keeping it looking youthful and healthy. But rosemary doesn't stop there. It also acts as a gentle exfoliant. Imagine it as a mini facial, gently lifting away dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities to reveal smoother, brighter skin underneath. One of rosemary's star players is rosmarinic acid, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. This makes rosemary a soothing savior for irritated skin, calming redness and reducing puffiness. And if you're prone to blemishes, rosemary's antimicrobial properties will be your new best friend. It helps to keep your skin clear and free from breakouts, promoting a healthy, balanced complexion. Rosemary is like a multitasking skincare miracle, addressing multiple concerns and leaving your skin radiant, healthy, and glowing. Now let's talk about chamomile, renowned for its calming and soothing properties. This is a gentle yet effective herb that works amazingly for sensitive skin, calming redness and reducing irritation. Chamomile provides radiance by instantly calming and comforting any inflammation or sensitivity. It's a gentle caress for your complexion, leaving it soothed and balanced. But chamomile's benefits go beyond just soothing. It's also a powerful antioxidant. It's loaded with flavonoids, helping to protect your skin from environmental damage, keeping it looking youthful and dewy. One of chamomile's key components is alpha-bisabolol, a substance known for its incredible skin-soothing and healing properties. It helps to reduce redness, hyperpigmentation, and acne, evening out your skin tone and highlighting that inner glow. If you're looking for a natural way to brighten your complexion, simply applying cooled chamomile tea bags to your skin can help to lighten dark spots and give you a lit-from-within radiance. With its tender touch, chamomile gently restores balance, leaving your skin glowing with vitality and softness. Next, we have thyme, the age-defying skin protector. Often overlooked, but it embodies great skin rejuvenating properties. Thyme is full of antioxidants, protecting your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals and premature aging. One of thyme's key benefits is its ability to stimulate blood flow, bringing a rush of oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This increased circulation gives your complexion a healthy, youthful glow, making your skin look and feel more alive. Thyme also has antimicrobial and soothing properties, making it a great choice for those with acne-prone or irritated skin. It helps to reduce inflammation, calm redness, and promote healing, leaving your skin clear and balanced. And if scarring has ever been a concern, thyme is a powerful ally in helping to reduce its appearance. Its wound healing properties help to minimize the appearance of scars and blemishes, promoting a beautiful, more even complexion. Thyme is a true skincare multitasker, protecting your skin from damage, soothing irritation, and promoting a youthful, radiant glow. If you're enjoying these skin-loving herbs, be sure to head to my website, jadebliss.com, where some of these herbs are in our products, such as the Blissful Bath Herbs, which is formulated for amazing skincare radiance and nourishment. Now, back to the video. Now we have Calendula, the healing hero. This one's a true skincare superstar known for its incredible healing and restorative properties. Calendula is an adored herb for any skincare routine, especially if you're dealing with dryness, irritation, or blemishes. One of calendula's key strengths is its ability to promote wound healing. It accelerates the skin's natural healing process, making it ideal for treating minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and other skin irritations. But calendula's benefits go beyond wound healing. It's also incredibly hydrating and nourishing, thanks to its high content of calendic acid and linoleic acid. These fatty acids help to strengthen your skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and keeping your complexion soft, supple, and hydrated. And if you're dealing with scars or blemishes, calendula can help to fade their appearance over time. Its skin regenerating properties promote cell turnover, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Calendula is also a potent anti-inflammatory, soothing redness, irritation, and inflammation. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, making it a great choice for those with eczema, rosacea, or other inflammatory skin conditions. Next on our list is mint, the refreshing reviver. Mint is a cooling herb that highlights the glow of your skin. It leaves your complexion feeling fresh, revitalized, and radiant. Mint brightens your complexion and evens out skin tone. It reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving a natural glow. Mint tightens pores and controls oil production. Ideal for oily or acne-prone skin, it prevents breakouts and keeps skin matte. Mint's antibacterial properties fight acne-causing bacteria. It soothes inflammation and redness, promoting a healthier complexion. Mint is versatile and can be used in various skincare products. It's rich in salicylic acid, which is beneficial for treating acne and blemish spots. Additionally, its high content of vitamins A and C promotes skin rejuvenation, leaving your skin looking fresh and radiant. Whether it's fresh leaves, essential oil, or mint-infused products, let mint breathe new life into your skin's routine. While herbs can help reveal the glowing goddess within you, it doesn't happen overnight. Skincare is all about consistency. Try incorporating herbs into your routine regularly, whether it's in a tea, facial steam, or infused oil. Use mild cleansers, exfoliate a couple of times a week, apply moisturizers that suit your skin type, and stay hydrated. Over time, you'll notice your skin's restorative barrier becoming more radiant and balanced. Which one of these herbs do you think your skin needs the most right now? Have you noticed a difference in your skin when using natural remedies versus commercial products? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Please consider subscribing to my channel and tap the notification bell for more holistic health and beauty tips. Until next time, stay blissful and radiant.